Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, Glam lovers. It's your girl, Shenwoladile. Today I'm going to be sharing with you absolutely fabulous, budget-friendly makeup products that work even better than most designer brands out there. So get fab with me for my lunch date with the girls using these products. Check out the results, guys, and be the judge for yourself. Okay, let's just get right into it. Okay, people, like, check out that flawlessness. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think? No, take a look again. What do you think? Like, that bit is sweet. Like, I'm feeling myself right now. Okay, those of you who have been with me on this video journey, okay, you would know that this hair means a whole lot to me. What I basically did was curl it up, and we are looking fab. You already know your girl bring the glam to the party. If you're new on this channel, thank you for joining us, and please subscribe right now, because what I do is basically bring you glam that does not break the bank. Okay, all right, thank you for today, thank you for watching, and see you next time in my video. If you do want a video request, maybe say how I do my foundation, leave a comment in the comment section and I will get right on it. So thank you for watching one more time. I love y'all. Have a blessed week ahead. Bye. Mwah.